Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn up or down volume on PS4. So basically what you'll need to do is hold on your PS button like this, and now you'll see sound and devices. And now right here, if you click on X, you will basically with the joystick will be able to adjust that. For the headphones, same. If you're connected to the headphones, right here you can mute game voice chat or mute all microphones. And if you're in the party, what you can do is basically turn the friend. By clicking on your friend, you'll basically be able to adjust the sound. Or basically for the everyone, what you can do is go to the party audio settings, click X, and right here you can adjust the audio mix. And by using this joystick you can adjust for the non-party audio to party audio. So if you go to this side, you'll hear more game or the other media, and if you go more here, you'll hear your friends louder. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.